If your motion still feels basic, this effect will upgrade it instantly. In this video, I'm showing how to create AE like BCC ripple motion in AfterMotionZ, smooth, clean, and professional. This is controlled ripple motion, not random shake, the kind that adds depth and energy to your edit. Once you get this right, your motion will start feeling high level. I'll drop the preset after 300 likes, so support the video. Like, subscribe, and let's get started.